Hello everyone, I'm here to tell you guys a story. After you guys have made me to be someone that cannot mind my own business. So today, I'm going to tell you what happened in our compound. My neighbor and her boyfriend, they were having a very tedious argument in front of our house. And I was watching from a distance. Before you know what happened, she just slapped her boyfriend. She slapped different. Her boyfriend wants to go and slap her. Then she was like, no. Boys don't beat girls. Wow. Seriously? They went to change to females and make him to slap her. Wow. She didn't expect it.
You get it? Okay. If you don't get it, forget about it.
She got it.
Oh,